Namaskar. Today I tell you how to calculate base price of a stock. First of all, we knew what is base price of a stock. Base price of a stock is very simple. Base price of a stock is his last 3-year average price. Why we use base price? Okay, I give you a practical example. When you go to market for buying an average feature Android phone, then you have an estimated idea of price of this Android phone from your friends. Suppose you have an estimated idea 6,000 to 7,000 of price of an Android phone. When you go to shopkeeper shop and your shopkeeper asks you for a price of 6,500 to 7,500, then you think phone price is okay, phone price is genuine. And what happens if shopkeeper offer you a price of 25,000 and you have no any idea about historical price of this phone, or you buy this phone in 25,000, then you buy this phone in a very higher valuation. Same happen in stock market. We use base price as an estimated idea of stock price. Now we calculate base price practically on bscindia.com website. Open www.bscindia.com in your browser. Open www.bscindia.com in your browser. Suppose you want to calculate base price of Deepak fertilizer. Then click here and type first few words DE and choose Deepak Fertilizer Petrochemical Corporation Limited from drop down menu. Now a fresh window is open. Go to this Archives tab. Go to this Archives tab. Click on Archives. Now a window about historical price of Deepak fertilizer open. Go to daily price and in from tab choose a date of just 3 years back from today. We choose 2012 and month October and date 19 October 2012. Because today date is 21 October 2015, and then click submit. Here are the historical price of Deepak Fertilizer Petrochemical Corporation Limited. Here are the historical price of last 3 years. Go to here, download or record. Download or record. An Excel sign is shown here, and Excel sign is shown here. Click on this Excel sign, and now your file is download here. Now your Excel file is download here. Click on this Excel file. This Excel file is open. Here is the last 3 year historical price data of Deepak Fertilizer and Chemical Limited. Choose this F tab. F. There are average price. Choose this F, and last of this F column. Last of this F column, we click here and click auto sum sign. Auto sum sign. Auto sum sign, and press enter. Here are the auto sum of this weighted average price. Total row is 744. So we divide it 744. Here is the our base price 124.94. 124.94. and Deepak fertilizer is traded at 137.45. So we try to buy exact 15% below from 144. We have an estimated idea of base price of Deepak fertilizer is 124 and we try to buy it 15% below of 124. Namaskar.